Learning numerology, basic calculations and vibrations. Numerology is the belief that numbers have a direct correlation with all nature and divinity. This is an in-depth and complex topic, but the beginning stages of learning numerology are achieved by mastering the basic arithmetic while gaining an understanding of each vibration. Regardless of if you're doing name calculations or date calculations, you'll want to be familiar with the letter-to-number correlation chart. It will be an important tool to have on hand while learning numerology. This simple but powerful chart can be used to find the numerology number of any letter. So for example, the letters A, J, and S all equal to the number 1. The letters B, K, and T then equate to the number 2, and so forth. So for example, we could associate all of the letters within our full name to a number, and then add them all up together to get what is called our name number, which can tell you a lot about yourself as a person. Let's say that your name was Allie Rose Gibson. To do this, we would first associate each letter within the name Allie Rose Gibson to a number using our chart, and add each number together within each name. So for Allie, we would get 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, which when added together gives us a 19. We then add the 1 and 9 together to then get a 10. Add the 1 and the 0 together, and this then gives us a 1. Then for the middle name Rose, we would get 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5, which when added together gives us a 21. Then add the 2 and the 1 together and we get 3. And then the last name Gibson, we would get 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which when added together gives us 37. Then add the 3 and the 7 together to get a 10, and then finally add the 1 and the 0 to get 1. Then we just add the number from each name together, which gives us 1 plus 3 plus 1, which when added together gives us a 4, meaning that Allie Rose Gibson's name number is 4. There are 11 total vibrations, 1 through 9, 11, and 22. Each is comprised of different characteristics, and their qualities can be under or overbalanced. Here's a short breakdown of what each of these numbers mean. If you get a 1, then you are a leader. These people are often the most independent and determined vibrations in numerology. If you get a 2, you are sensitive and diplomatic. They are known as the peacemaker. If you get a 3, then you are emotionally intelligent. 3s are masters of expression. They're happy, creative, and imaginative. If you get a 4, then you are practical. These people believe that goals are only achieved through hard work and determination. They're both organized and efficient. If you get a 5, then you are all about freedom. This vibration will thrive in a flexible environment where they're allowed to spread their wings. If you get a 6, then you are big on love and humanity. These people are domesticated and harmonious. If you get a 7, then you are constantly in search of the truth and understanding. These people are analytical perfectionists. If you get an 8, then you are powerful, goal-driven, and skillful. They're often in positions of great power. If you get a 9, then you are all about universal love. These people value acceptance, generosity, and devotion. If you get an 11, then you take on characteristics of the number 2s, but also possess a divine presence that is worldly and aware. If you get a 22, then you have all the same capabilities of a 4, but you're also what is known as the master builder and can attain the unimaginable and are gifted, innovative, and ingenious.
To find out what secrets numerology has in store for you, click here to get your free instant and extremely accurate numerology reading. You will likely be amazed at what you find out. And for more numerology tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to click the subscription button right here so that you don't miss out on future videos.